Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm stir frying spicy eggplant. So let's get started. Let's review the ingredients here. I have a slender Asian eggplant, green onion, yellow onion, garlic ginger, seasoning salt mix, cornstarch slurry. We have Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, oyster sauce, some chicken broth, and this is a spicy broth bean paste. And the brand I like to use is the Pixian Douban. And it comes in a package, it's not in a jar. I just put it into a jar for easier use. For the prep, let's start with cutting the eggplant. We'll just trim the tops off. And we'll cut it at an angle. Into about 1/4-inch slices. Next, let's dice the onion. Okay, and we'll mince the ginger and garlic together. Okay, that's done. We'll also mince the green onion. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. We're going to start with shallow frying the eggplant. I have a pan with about 1 inch of oil set at a medium-high heat. And once it starts smoking up, it's ready. And also you can put a chopstick in, and if it starts to bubble up on the sides, this is ready to use. We'll do this in 2 batches. And just let this fry for like a couple minutes. Okay, this looks good. Let's remove it to a towel lined pan to catch the oil. We'll fry the next batch. So we'll fry this for a couple minutes also. Okay, this is done. Turn off the heat. And let's remove it from the pan. Okay, we're going to drain the oil and then left a little bit of oil from the frying. So let's add the ginger and garlic, the onion, and stir fry this for about 30 seconds. Let the onion soften up. Okay, next we'll add the bean paste. And depending on how spicy you like it, you can add more. And it smells absolutely wonderful. We'll add some sesame oil. Add the chicken stock. Add a little bit of the Tbsp Oyster sauce. And the Shaoxing wine. Give it a taste and see if you want to add extra bean paste. Okay, add the eggplant. And let this simmer for about a minute. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. And this looks good. So next, let's add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce up a little bit. That looks good. And we'll add the green onion. Okay, this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's serve this. Okay, so let's plate this. Oh, it smells so good in here. And here we have a plate of stir-fry spicy eggplant. The spicy broth bean paste gives the eggplant a really mellow, earthy flavor along with a little heat. It's absolutely delicious. Enjoy! Ooh, let's see if Shadow likes it. She loves eating her veggies. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.